Good morning, everyone. This is Ryan Ellis with the National Weather Service here in Raleigh with the weekly impact briefing for December 18th through the 24th. As we'll cover later in the briefing, this will be our last briefing before Christmas. Both the Tuesday after Christmas and the Tuesday after New Year's will be when we will have our briefings as opposed to the regularly scheduled Mondays. Pretty benign week as far as weather goes. If you look early in the pattern, not much going on. You'll notice we are quite a bit warmer than normal. And then on Wednesday should be the best, the first chance for rain this week. And it looks like Wednesday and Wednesday night, models are in pretty good agreement that we'll see a system, this low pressure system here, move across the deep south and across our area. And then as we get beyond that point, as we get into late week and the weekend, this system here over the Midwest will try to push a front through, but there's a very low confidence forecast at this point with the models. A lot of different solutions out there, whether or not this cold front over the weekend will actually make it through the state or not. Some scenarios have it hanging up along the Appalachians. Now, the difference with those scenarios would, one, be temperatures. We could be, a lot warmer if that front stays to the west, as opposed to it moving through the area, and then the amount of rainfall with that. But the one thing we do know for sure is that we're not looking at anything frozen at all. So impact-wise, we may have some precipitation, but certainly nothing bad to worry about on the roads, etc. No chance for severe with any of this, so we're in the clear there. And here's the rainfall forecast, and as you can see on Wednesday here, this looks like a sure bet, but then as we get into Saturday and Sunday and beyond, it becomes less clear, so we'll have to wait and see. And then looking beyond that, the 8 to 14 day outlook, we do have, once that front does finally make it through, we have a big trough over the central part of the country, which will bring cold temperatures to much of the United States. We're going to be kind of on the edge of that range, so maybe near normal temperatures, which for us this time of year is about in the low 50s for highs. And so we should be right around that area. And then you can see a little bit wetter than normal. The storm track will take these low pressure systems kind of right across our area. But again, whether they go a little bit to the north or south may have a big impact on how much rain we actually see here. Again, the holiday briefing schedule. So the regular scheduled Monday, the December 25th, will be moved to the 26th. The 1st will be moved to Tuesday the 2nd, but same time, 11:30 on all of those. And then to summarize, high temps above normal. Records probably will not be broke. Looking at some of those records, they're well into the mid to upper 70s in most locations. We will not see that. We may squeak out a 70 or two. We'll just have to see how it goes. But mostly in the 50s and 60s. That rain on Wednesday, of course, low confidence forecast for the weekend. But again, nothing frozen to worry about. And then the briefings, and that is all I have. So if there are no questions, we will reconvene the Tuesday after Christmas. Have a pleasant week, everybody.